Welcome to your guided meditation that'll help you understand why meditation is helpful to boost your natural energy levels. Courtesy of Purple. My name is Joshua and I'm a professional within wellness and entertainment here in Los Angeles, California. Meditation has brought me more peace, more pain relief, more anxiety relief than anything else I've ever tried. I have chronic pain from osteoarthritis in my spine. So anything that I can do to help combat that every day is a gift. And while we're going to be doing this meditation, I would like for you to find a tall, comfortable seat. Unless that causes you pain, then I'd rather you lie down. Use any pillows, blankets, or bolsters. Purple sent me their ultimate seat cushion to play around with in my practice, and it travels easy and it keeps my spine supported, so I love it. But wherever you're at, I need you to use any blankets, pillows, mats, anything at all to help you feel comfortable. The more comfortable you can feel physically, the more emotionally open and available you'll be to the message. We're going to start off with 3 slow breaths. First, I want you to find that nice tall seat, or if you're laying down, a nice long spine. First, we're going to exhale everything out of our lungs. Inhale through your nose. Open your mouth, audible exhale, sigh it out. Deeper inhale this time, bring your shoulders all the way up to your ears, scrunch your face tight. And then when you exhale, release all that out and shake it out. Settle into stillness, breathe in for 4, breathe in for 3, breathe in for 2, breathe in for 1. Now hold your breath for 4, gently for 3, 2, 1. Slowly exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This guided meditation is going to help you focus on building your awareness to how your breath directly affects your blood and your overall energy. Now, if you choose to watch this video, I do ask that you set that time aside for yourself. It's less than half of a sitcom on Netflix. You deserve at least that much time every day where the focus is on you and helping you feel better about yourself, your surroundings, everything going on in your life. You deserve that because you're human. We all do. I also want you to set an intention. My intention, for example, in this video, is to lessen your anxiety about the current state of the world simply by improving your self-control, by giving you information that's going to help you understand yourself and how you work. You can choose any goal. It can be big, small, wide, or specific, anything that you can focus on for this whole video. And I know it sounds silly, but you do deserve this time because you're choosing to better yourself with it. You're choosing to build up your community with hope and positivity instead of tearing things down with fear and toxicity. And that's the easy choice. You're choosing the harder path. Take the credit you deserve. We're going to get back to our breath now. So I want you to place one hand on your heart. It doesn't matter which hand. The other hand on your belly. And I want you just to focus on the sensations going on underneath your hands. Please feel free to close your eyes. Exhale anything out of your lungs. Deep inhale for 4. Fill up into your belly for 3. Breathe now up into your chest for 2. Fill all the way up into your throat for 1. Now hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to continue to follow this style of breathing. I'm going to guide you through it. We're going to follow this counting system because it directly communicates with your body in a conversation that happens on the chemical, hormonal, and electrical level. You can look at the other guided meditation on what meditation is to learn more about that. For right now, I just want you to focus on how incredible it is that you can take a deep breath into your belly, feel that expansion, breathe up into your chest and throat, hold your breath for 4 seconds, and then if you softly exhale to the count of 5, you will feel your entire body start to relax. Tension will start to release. You're telling your body it's safe to do so. We're going to count through that system together the first time through. I'm going to start you into the second time, and then I'm going to want you to count on your own so I can dive deeper into some more really amazing information. When you breathe into the count of 4, I want you to breathe into your belly first, then fill up your chest, then fill up to your throat. You're going to hold that to 4, then you're going to exhale to 5. This is known as diaphragmatic breathing exercises. There's a bunch of different kinds. This one is specifically designed to help you relax. We're going to get back to our blood now, and our breath. Place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. Doesn't matter which one. I want you to focus on the sensations underneath those hands. Exhale everything out. Breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4. Please continue to count like this while I dive a little deeper into how incredible we are. Whenever you breathe in, you're creating energy, and that happens through cellular respiration. Think of this as you're boosting your natural energy levels by breathing in fully into your belly, then your chest, then your throat. And then when you're fully exhaling all of that air out, you're also getting rid of the carbon dioxide, the waste product. That oxygen, when you breathe in deeply, it attaches to your blood flow and helps stimulate that circulation inside your entire body. When we don't breathe in enough, oxygen, our circulation, our overall energy starts to slow down. I want you to think of your lungs like a brown crinkle bag, okay? A paper bag that you used to bring to lunch 20 years ago. As you breathe in, that brown crinkly bag starts to expand. And the more you breathe in, the less crinkly it gets. Now the bottom of your lungs, the bottom of that brown bag, that is able to take in 6 to 10 times more oxygen than this top part. So if we don't breathe in fully, we're literally starving our lungs and slowing down our natural energy levels. Whenever we breathe shallowly, and that means that bottom of the bag isn't expanding, your body enters a state of constant, low-level anxiety. And this can influence your thoughts, your actions, your reactions, everything without you even being aware of it. Everything in your life can be going really well, and you can still be riddled with anxiety simply because of how you're breathing. The first step in learning self-control is to become aware of how you breathe. From there, we try to become conscious and intentional. This is extremely difficult. And as I've been talking, where is your breath? Where is your count? Did you lose touch with where your hands were? What was happening underneath them? If you did, don't beat yourself up. This is totally natural. We are striving to be supernatural, and that's not easy. Let's get back to our breath and our count. Place any hand on your heart, the other hand on your belly. Exhale everything out. Breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4. Please continue to count on your own while I dive a little deeper. Whenever you breathe out, you're getting rid of that CO2, that carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is just the waste created by our bodies when it uses that oxygen to speed up our energy. That oxygen then turns into CO2. We then have to get rid of that CO2, and we get rid of, I think around 70% of CO2 comes out of our mouths, out of our respiratory system. Now the incredible thing is, when we breathe out CO2, plants breathe that in, then creating oxygen, which we breathe in, part of the circle of life. However, when we don't get rid of that CO2, our body becomes acidic. And what this means is it tells the body, the central nervous system, to send us into fight or flight. And when we go into fight or flight, the central nervous system and the sympathetic nervous system tell your liver to dump a bunch of glucose, sugar, into your bloodstream. When that glucose hits your bloodstream, your heart rate is going to spike up, rushing blood to your biceps, your thighs, and your heart. It's rushing it away from your digestive systems, away from the relaxation response. The things start to feel very intense at this point because cortisol, the stress hormone, is dumped into your brain, your body, and your adrenal glands start to pump adrenaline and norepinephrine into your bloodstream as well, preparing you to either fight for your death or run for your life. And the saddest thing is, it doesn't matter if there's a tiger, a lion, a computer, a spouse, a frenemy. It doesn't matter what's causing your stress. The body reacts the same way. It starts to dump all of its resources into survival. And that usually, historically, has meant you had to run for your life or fight to the death. And the only way that we can take control of the stress response is by consciously telling it that we're okay. And we do this by controlling our breath. When we breathe shallowly, we tell it we're not okay. When we breathe long, slow, and relaxed, we tell it we are. Where's your breath? Where's your count? Where are your hands? Do not beat yourself up if any of this has changed or your mind has wandered. That's completely natural. We are striving to be supernatural, and that isn't easy. Take the credit you deserve. Place one hand on your heart, the other on your belly. Exhale everything out. Breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 4. Please continue to count on your own. If you're finding any sense of peace, relaxation, understanding, I invite you to stay in the safe space that you've created for yourself. Thank you for trusting me to help you build safety. If you have any desire to dive deeper, just tune into more of my classes on DesireList TV. In honor of your time, I will begin to gently and quietly guide you out. If you are ready, please wiggle your toes, your fingers. Gently roll, move, wiggle your ankles, your wrists, your neck, your jaw, your shoulders. Take a deep inhale through your nose, squeeze your jaw. Exhale, sigh it out. Whether you're seated or lying down, close your eyes and bring your hands to the center of your chest. Push your palms in together. Find a longer, stronger spine as you breathe in, look up. As you exhale, pull your chin to your chest, bowing your head. Namaste.